This channel makes $11,800 a month posting just one video a week. 268,000 subscribers, hundreds of thousands of views, and almost zero competition. But they're not chasing trends, not using drama, not even making modern content. They're posting videos about forgotten discoveries from decades ago. So why is this working now when nobody else is doing it? More importantly, what are they doing differently that you can copy starting today? And the craziest part? This entire channel runs on just one prompt that's literally pinned in the comments. First, they take a video topic, drop it into ChatGPT, and instantly get multiple viral ideas. Then, they grab one idea, paste it into Claude along with a simple scripting prompt. Within seconds, high-retention, perfectly paced script is done. No brainstorming, no writing struggle. Then, they take that script, drop it into 11 Labs, make a calm voice, and download it. Then, copy a visual prompt for the video and paste it into ChatGPT. It instantly generates 5 cinematic image prompts. Then, just say next, copy each prompt one by one, and paste them into Google Labs to generate visuals. Within minutes, the entire visual world of the video is built. After that, open CapCut, drop in the voiceover, add all generated images, and start matching visuals with the narration. Then comes the key step: add transitions, motion effects, and timing adjustments, make everything feel alive. And finally, export the video. A complete YouTube video built with almost no manual effort.
In 1991, a hiker in the Alps stumbled onto what he thought was a discarded climbing accident. Frozen corpse. Tragic, but not rare in the mountains. Then, the forensic teams arrived, and the carbon dating results came back. 5,300 years old. He was wearing woven grass shoes.